Samsung made a splash this year with Galaxy AI being the big selling point of its new Galaxy S24 series, but it seems the company's efforts aren't over, with plans to bring AI to wearables such as the Galaxy Watch in the near future. In a post from Samsung's Tian Ro, looks at the launch of the Galaxy S24 series and offers a welcome to era of mobile AI. The editorial talks about how Galaxy AI was built and teases more features to come, as Samsung apparently had many ideas and concepts that we wanted to bring to life. He adds that Samsung will continue to enhance and grow the mobile AI experience. But more interesting are Samsung's plans to bring AI features to devices like the Galaxy Watch. Ro teases that select Galaxy wearables will get AI features focused on intelligent health experiences, among other features. Also, Samsung had many ideas and concepts that it wanted to bring to life for the launch of the Galaxy S24 series. For the sake of the Korean OEM's principles of creating AI that can enhance our daily lives, only a few made the cut. The upcoming watch might include S24's Live Translate, Chat Assist, and interpreter features available through Galaxy AI. With more AI in the pipeline, the company needs to overcome certain challenges with AI, such as hallucinations. The post states Samsung will remain committed to enhancing Galaxy device security and privacy through transparency and choice. In the meantime, Samsung recently made its Galaxy AI features hands-free through its integration with Bixby. Users can easily use their voice on their Galaxy S24 device to launch Chat Assist, Interpreter, and more on-device services. Additionally, the company previously confirmed several of its Galaxy AI features will soon arrive on older Galaxy devices. As for what these features might be or how they're implemented, we simply don't know. But given Samsung's description, the Galaxy Watch is the logical next step. As for the when, Ro says the near future, implying this could come from a software update, not just a hardware release. For now, though, we'll just have to wait and see. The Galaxy Watch 7 faces a daunting task ahead. It needs to surpass the already impressive Galaxy Watch 6 in a way that will captivate Android smartwatch enthusiasts, especially since the previous generations have started to blend together. Luckily, there are already indications of significant changes on the horizon. Following the release of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro in 2022 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic in 2023, it remains uncertain whether Samsung will continue with the battery powerhouse Galaxy Watch 7 Pro, opt for a stylish Watch 7 Classic, or surprise us with something entirely new. The Galaxy Watch 6 made a significant improvement by reducing its display border to maximize the screen size. However, it seems unlikely that Samsung can further increase the display size for the Galaxy Watch 7 without compromising its weight. We can anticipate that the Watch 7 will feature 1.3 or 1.5-inch AMOLED displays, accompanied by a digital bezel for easy navigation through menus. Samsung also enhanced the display brightness to 2000 nits for the Watch 6. It's possible that Samsung might aim for the same brightness levels as the Galaxy S24 series, which reaches 2600 nits, or even the astonishing 3000 nit standard of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If any model is expected to have a brighter display, it would likely be the Galaxy Watch 7 Pro. Additionally, we can anticipate that all models will come with sapphire crystal display protection. However, that's probably the extent of what Samsung will do. Now here's something less probable but incredibly exciting. In October 2023, Samsung introduced its new micro-LED technology, primarily for televisions. However, rumors circulated that Samsung might develop a Galaxy Watch Ultra with this display, offering superior color richness, contrast, brightness, and energy efficiency compared to any previous smartwatch. It remains uncertain if this display technology is ready for smartwatches, as Apple believes it will take until 2025 to bring micro-LED to the Apple Watch Ultra and may not replace OLED in their mainline models until the cost significantly decreases. Nevertheless, in theory, the Galaxy Watch 7 Pro, or a potential Ultra model in 2024, could surpass Apple by delivering a remarkable display upgrade. Samsung has been making some interesting choices when it comes to the processors used in their Galaxy Watches. They started off with the Exynos 9110 for the first 3 models, then switched to the Exynos W920 for the next 2, and finally settled on the Exynos W930 for the Watch 6. Initially, we assumed that Samsung would continue this trend and use the Exynos W930 for the Watch 7 as well. However, recent reports suggest that there might be a surprising upgrade in the works. According to a Korean news outlet, the Galaxy Watch 7 could be equipped with the Exynos W940, a 3nm chip that promises significant improvements in power consumption, performance, and size reduction. This rumor was further supported by tipster Roland Quant, who mentioned that the chip might be internally referred to as Exynos 5535, but will likely be renamed W940 for the official launch. Considering Samsung's focus on AI processing this year, it's worth wondering if this chip upgrade will also bring any enhancements to the NPU. However, at this point, it's all just speculation. One thing we can assume is that the Watch 7 will likely retain the same 2 gigs of RAM as its predecessor, but we hope to see an increase in storage capacity beyond the previous 16 gigs. Based on Samsung's past patterns with the Galaxy Watch series, we can make some educated guesses about what to expect from the Watch 7. The standard version will probably continue to feature an aluminum build, while a potential Watch 7 Classic or Watch 7 Pro might offer stainless steel or titanium options. All models should maintain the military standard rating for shock resistance and the IP68 dust and water resistance. In terms of health features, we can anticipate the return of the bioactive sensor for heart rate monitoring, ECG readings, and body composition analysis. Additionally, blood oxygen and temperature readings for sleep tracking should make a comeback. While Samsung is working on non-invasive blood glucose monitoring, it's unlikely to be ready for implementation in the Watch 7. Apart from these expected features, it remains unclear what new health technologies Samsung might introduce. However, we can certainly count on the Watch 7 to come with Samsung's wireless charging puck, offering fast charging speeds of at least 10 watts. It will also support the latest Bluetooth standard and include all global navigational satellite systems for accurate tracking. Overall, the Galaxy Watch 7 seems to be shaping up to be an exciting upgrade, and we can't wait. During the exciting finale of Galaxy Unpacked, Samsung unveiled a plethora of health, fitness, and software features that are set to arrive later this year, coinciding with the launch of the highly anticipated Galaxy Watch 7. Among the exciting additions, Samsung will introduce innovative smart sleep analysis indices and delve deeper into health patterns. While previous Galaxy Watches already alerted users about low blood oxygen levels during sleep, the Galaxy Watch 7 will take it a step further with its BIA sensor, incorporating a remarkable Samsung sleep apnea feature that will notify you if you're experiencing this condition. As the launch of the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Ring draws nearer, eagerly anticipate discovering more about these remarkable health features. Furthermore, there have been whispers that Samsung will transition to Wear OS 5 in 2024, although specifics regarding its enhancements over Wear OS 4 remain unknown. The Galaxy Watch 6, as an Android smartwatch, was undeniably a top-tier device. However, there were certain areas, such as fitness tracking and battery life, where it had room for improvement. As someone who reviewed the Galaxy Watch 6, I have a few expectations for the Samsung Galaxy, Watch 7, and hypothetical Watch 7 Pro, hoping for a more thrilling release this time. In terms of battery life, the previous 3 Galaxy Watches offered 40, 50, and 40 hours of estimated usage, respectively. Unfortunately, the Watch 6 took a step back, most likely due to its higher clock speed, which drained the battery faster than its small capacity could handle. Although it still surpasses Apple's 18-hour battery life, the real battery life of the Watch 6 drops to 30 hours or less when using more demanding features. Any additional battery life that Samsung can squeeze out would be greatly appreciated. Samsung managed to slim down the Watch 6 to a mere 12mm, making it one of the slimmest Android watches available. However, I believe that some potential Watch 7 buyers would be willing to sacrifice a slightly thicker design in exchange for an extra 10 to 15 hours of battery life. Of course, there will also be those who prefer a more compact and petite design. It will be intriguing to see how Samsung tackles this challenge. Overall, I'm excited to see what improvements and innovations Samsung brings to the table with the Galaxy Watch 7 and a potential Watch 7 Pro. With a focus on enhancing fitness capabilities and extending battery life, this upcoming release has the potential to be truly captivating. What are your predictions for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch 7? Will it follow the trend of previous releases and launch in August 2024 alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6? Samsung has a history of unveiling its watches and foldables together, so it's likely that we'll see them in July at the earliest. As for the price, Samsung has been gradually increasing the cost with each new generation. While we hope it stays at $300 and up, it wouldn't be surprising if they pushed it to $330. So, what kind of upgrades do you think Samsung will offer to justify the price? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.